So we're going to give it a go, and we're going over to PowerPoint. So the first section, so this is the business model canvas with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different sections, and it's where we can start to look at what the business is, or why the business exists. Start with why. So this section in the middle is the value proposition. So the first value proposition that we're creating is quality. Self-transcendence, self-actualization, and that it offers therapeutic value. So within these there are different things like the quality, that experience, the experience that it's associated with a quality experience, and self-transcendence, self-actualization. These two elements are, according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, are at the top of the hierarchy in terms of human fulfillment. And then I've also included this therapeutic value in that there's a kind of healing process, which is interesting because I actually put this I created this value proposition before coming in contact with this article by this financial advisor who was talking about trauma, finance as a trauma, or traumatic experiences that impact the way that our relationship with the finances. So actually, I'm just present as well that we're not offering financial management or financial advice, but we are looking, as you'll see, at high net worth individuals as our niche, as our target audience. So just wanted to clarify that as well. So following on from the previous section, the next part of this business model canvas deals with the customer segments, and so we are focusing on high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals. There are definitions about these, about their net worth and the amount of assets that they have available, and then independent. So they are basically high net worth individuals and ultra high net worth individuals, and independents, people who have independent financial net worth. And then customer relations. So this is how the ways in which we relate to customers. So in person, kind of personal relationship, and it's over a lifetime. So it's not just like one product or service that they use, and then so it's an ongoing through different stages, through different stages of life. Could be student life, could be householder life, retirement, etc. And then so we've seen as a customer relation that it's a kind of subscription model. That's just one model. Obviously, all of this is an hypothesis. So it's it's something to validate and look and see which model works. And then customer related, there would be obviously the next level after participating in some of the initial offerings and initial programs, then ongoing relations ongoing relationship. And then looking at the channels of communication, that would include obviously a website, um, telephone, email, in person, including one-to-one or group sessions. I've put there affiliate because that occurs like an affiliate program is something that that some companies have, and again, this is a kind of model, and it might see which ones work and which ones don't work. And publishing, so that would be another channel by which people would find out or engage with our products and services. And then revenue streams, we offer courses or programs, online or offline, coaching, one-to-one coaching or group coaching, consultation. I guess that could be almost like B2B as well, for organizations, or for organizations or businesses. Licensing, so then empowering people to use the tools and methodologies, the approaches in their own situations, in their own companies or organizations, and obviously publishing books would be another revenue stream. Key activities then would include course creation, like actually creating the course materials, publishing, the whole world of that, either writing or editing or publishing, the whole world, and consultation. So offering that as a service. And I'm present to a lot of research and development, just in the sense that the cutting edge technology, and also I've seen some personal development leaders who have a team of researchers and developers developing new programs and researching new approaches. So that's another area. And then networking. Networking as part of, I guess, related to client acquisition, but just in general being out here in the world, networking and travel. That's what I see. Different locations, different venues, different events. Key resources, course content. I can see that's a key resource to manage. The website, venues, that I can see that as being a key aspect of given the customer segments, those venues could be different types of venues. I was watching this video the other day about a beach, walking along the beach in Hawaii, but anyway, different types of venues. Affiliates, this is a key resource as well, and literature, books, which I guess goes along with the course content, but that's and then cost structures. It's value driven, it's based on economies of scope, based on economies of scale, and then in terms of the key partners, partnering with brands especially luxury brands. But I can see that being quite useful partnerships. Universities in research, I put that there, and obviously a lot of this, as I say, is subject to development, but that idea of having research. The influencers. So yeah, I guess that's part of what I see in terms of getting in front of people, and then obviously looking like who are the people, or like what are the sources of information, or where do our where does our target audience hang out. One thing I'm seeing here, actually, just want to take a note, is that when we've identified here customer segments, another part of that work there could be around creating an avatar, just to give it some kind of handle, or what they call a persona. So, and that's another part of it. And then industry experts, and another term for that is subject matter experts. So as I can see, partnering with those people, whether it's experts in terms of finance, experts in terms of management, asset allocation, but also industry specific. Like if a client or a customer is involved in equities, for instance, then having somebody who knows about managing those assets, and being able to relate that subject matter, the needs, interests, and concerns of that area. And networkers. So yeah, I guess that's another aspect of it.